is this lens for? This is the perfect 1.4 aperture 35mm lens from Sony, and it is the professional one. This is the GM series. And who is it for? Well, it is for everybody that wants a beautiful, beautiful background blur bokeh at 1.4 aperture, which then, by the way, you can go and adjust all the way to 16, so you can actually adjust it manually, which is really, really good. And everybody who wants a more natural look at 35mm for their photos. Keep in mind that a 16 or a 14mm is what it's used for landscapes, for wide-angle shots, for architecture, for interiors. And this is a fixed 35mm, which means that it is the halfway between that one and what basically your eyes can see. And I would say that a portrait lens would start at a 50mm. So we're just before the portrait lens. And if you want it, you can find the Amazon link on my description. So make sure to go and check it out. They got great deals over there and great prices, but I really, really love it. Do I recommend it? Absolutely yes. This one is a must-have from Sony, and price per quality, we're at the lower end of the prices, but in great professional quality as it is Sony GM series, 35mm with 1.4 aperture, and I really recommend it to all of you.